Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing a quick video on the installation of some outdoor grass protection locking mats from BiGDUG. So each kit contains 4 tiles, they're 500 by 500 each, so one kit does 1 meter squares and comes with 4 securing pegs to keep it firm to the ground. Now these are brilliant, they're versatile and they can be used on sports fields, overflow car parks, paths, walkways, just like we're doing here, creating a 2-way walk system. Installation should be easy, so here we go. So these mats are great for many reasons. They're rock proof, they're water resistant, they're 100% recycled, so they're great for the environment. They're designed for permanent use, but they can be used for a temporary surface as needs be if you want something easy to come back up. It minimises the potential of slipping. As you can see behind me, this has taken about 3.5 hours. I couldn't have had a more awkward cut for square tiles, but it's done, it looks neat. Now to put some grass seed over it, wait 3 months and you won't even see them. So as you can see, it's tidied up the area really well. The only thing you need to fit it is a mallet and a bit of wood underneath where the pins are, just to hammer them in to give them a support at the bottom, or an angle grinder if you have an awkward shape like this.